Hello everybody, my name is Max and in today's video we will be unboxing these two packages that I've got from the CNfans. So let's unbox them, let's see what's inside, how we got. And yeah, as you probably know, the Panda buy is over, so the best agent possible now is CNfans. Click on the link down below and sign up to CNfans. That's literally the cheapest shipping available now and the most secure one. Okay. So let's start over with this first package. Let's unbox this one. Okay, so here we have it. Let's begin unboxing it. Let's use some scissors to open up the package. As you can see, it's very well protected with this adhesive tape. So this is how it all looks like. As you can see, we've got like two boxes and then they're also very well packed. There is no chance that the box will get crooked or anything. Your product won't get damaged. They're very well packed. So here we have the first box. Here's the second one and this paper foil. So here, as you can see, we have the Adidas shoes that we will take a look at just in a second. But before that, let's also unbox the second package. This one, as you can tell, is noticeably bigger because it has probably like 3 packages of shoes. Yeah, just like I told you, we have 3 more packages of shoes. So what we all have here are the Samba shoes, the Adidas Sambas. And yeah, let's take a look at them and let me just show you real quick how they all look like. So all of them are pretty much in a size US 6, but one of the pair is in a size 8.5 US. Let's take a look at this one. So here we have the box. As you can see, it looks like this. And let's take a look at the shoes. So they come wrapped in this foil. And we have the shoes right over here. They look very good, to be honest with you. I see no defects whatsoever. Just look at the glue coming across the whole shoes. There are no defects or anything like this. They look just nice. The leather quality is also on point. I like it a lot. No defects whatsoever. The shoes just look amazing. And here we also have the QR codes and everything, the sizing, and this tag right over here as well. When you just take a look at this one, it shows you also the QR code, the size. So the size is 8.5 US. It's 42 European. The insole looks like this. The Adidas Sambas. Yeah, one of the most popular models these days. On the back of the shoe looks like this. It's very comfy and soft inside. I just have to wear them to see how comfortable they are. They look very good. And this shoe sole looks like this. So you've got those hollows and these circles. They look very good. Let's also take a look at the right pair. So we have the consistency and a pattern. There are no defects, everything looks fine. I like the shoes a lot. Definitely a good one. The Adidas. And the shoes all right over here as well. So let's wear them, let's see how they look like on my feet. So this is how the shoes look like on my feet. As you can tell, they're very nice, white, all white with some black strips. And yeah, they look very stylish, to be honest. I like them a lot. Okay people, so that's pretty much it as for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I will answer you for sure. And don't forget to sign up to CNfans with the link down in the description. Thank you a lot and see you in the next video. Bye!